Please, if it's pressure, please say this shit aloud. You wanna keep a plea, don't bring a bit around. You better ask.
Hey baddies, it is your head baddie in charge, Kierstinsimonemgmt, but we are family, so call me Key Girl. Today we are going to be installing a 30-inch body wave 5x5 closure wig from the good girl Amazon.com. So I am just showing you guys what the wig is looking like. It did come with a headband, so that's cute or whatever. And then this is what the wig looks like in the package. She was super bouncy. I will say that she was super bouncy. They also gave me a netted wig cap, if that's what you prefer. But this is what she looks like out of the plastic. First impression, she didn't feel rough or bad. As you can see, the lace is pretty nice. It is not terrible lace. And then this is how the inside of the cap or the wig is constructed, and it looks really nicely done. I have no issues on how the wig was actually constructed. Alright ladies, so now I'm going to take this Ruby Kisses cream foundation. You've seen her before. She's in all of the girls' videos. Okay, and I see why. I love this cream foundation up under my wigs. It definitely is the closest color that I have in my makeup drawer to my skin tone, and I really love that. I even used this foundation on my face one day, and I'm telling you, it matched my skin perfectly. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on the wig cap, and then I put some makeup, that same foundation I put on my wig cap, I went ahead and put it on the wig itself. And so I'm just putting on the wig now. This is what she looks like on my head. Now I did go ahead and bleach these knots. So the knots might be a little over bleached, but it's okay. I'm going to go ahead and cut off those tabs on your closure. You want to cut off the tabs because you want her to lay flawlessly. If you do not cut off those tabs, then your closure will not lay flawlessly. So go ahead and cut those off. Alright girls, so I'm taking the olive oil super hold wig grip spray, and I'm going to spray that on the hairline to have my wig stay down. Now I really did like this spray when I first used it. It was really nice. It was an aerosol can, so that is very convenient. It doesn't spray everywhere like got2b-glued, so I really love that feature of the olive oil wig grip spray. I also used about 3 to 4 layers of the wig grip spray, and I went ahead and blow dried the layers in between, and you see I kept feeling to see how tacky it was. So what you want to do is you just want to measure the tackiness with each layer to see if that is the amount of tackiness that you need to hold this wig down. Now what I would suggest is this might not be a spray to have on a full frontal by itself unless you're doing a glueless look, of course, but this is a great alternative to got2b-glued or the Ebin spray. I really did enjoy this spray. It wasn't too heavy, it wasn't too thick, and it didn't necessarily leave a white residue like some of the other free sprays that are on the market right now. So I truly enjoyed that, and now I am just blow drying that down and taking a comb and combing everything through. I did go ahead and spray an extra layer on top of the lace to get that to stick more. So again, just measure the tackiness of what you would like for the installation of this wig. And what I'm doing now is taking some scissors and I'm cutting the center of the lace, and I'm going to go ahead and take a razor and razor off the rest of the lace. Alright, y'all, I don't know if y'all could tell, but this is a completely different day. I had to snatch that wig off, honey, and I just recorded on another day me actually transforming this into a cut bang. So I just first split my hair into a middle part, and then I am just now carving out the bang. I did not spray the hair down here. So that's why you're going to see it move it back and forth. But the wig hold spray will hold your hair down. And I went ahead and took my hot comb and I hot combed the bang to the front so that it can fall beautifully when I go ahead and cut it. And I'm just going to twist the bang around. I'm actually going to take my razor comb and I'm going to go ahead and razor the bang off. As you can see here, I am just going to keep shaping up the bang area. She still is a little bit too long, so you're gonna see me shape her up. You're gonna see me brush it out. You're going to see me just shape her up a little bit more to make sure she's falling in the right place. She's shaping my forehead and everything correctly. So that's what I'm doing now.
I'm outside in the AMG, right outside, GT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas around me, ride or they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's fine right now. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. I just caught a shorty up a Finsta. Just threw on a hoodie, it's a Crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things.
Alright, so now I am just taking my hot comb and I'm just smoothing everything over. So I'm smoothing out the middle part and still smoothing out the bang and making sure the bang is being guided into the right direction. Bruh, she wanted to be a side part so bad because she was a side part. I definitely planned on doing a side part. But then I went ahead and cut the bang because the Sagittarius urge to just do whatever. So now I'm taking my Duvel styling flat iron. Love this flat iron, super cute, and she's pink, duh. And I'm gonna go ahead and flat iron the bang portion that we went ahead and sectioned off. So now I'm just combing the bang portion out that we just flat ironed. She's getting there. She's cute. She's getting there. She's cute. And I'm going to take my brush and go ahead and brush the bang out to make it fill my face a little bit, to make it shape my face a little bit better, and to ultimately make it lay down because it was definitely sitting up. And I'm just going to run that bang through my flat iron one more time to make sure that she is nice and straightened and she looks good on the forehead. And what I'm doing now is I'm taking my razor comb and I am just shaving off the density of the bang. It was looking a little too thick for me, so I am just going to thin it out with my razor comb so it looks a little bit more natural. So what I'm doing now is I'm just running my flat iron through the hair, and I'm just gonna go ahead and flat iron my whole head. Alright guys, this is the finished look. I look bad as fuck. The head baddie in charge per. She looks good. Thank you so much for watching my installation video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to become another baddie in the baddie cartel. And I will see you baddies in the next video.